If you love books, cozy aesthetics, or just need a relaxing project to unplug from the chaos, you're going to love this. Today, I'm checking out this DIY book Nook miniature dollhouse kit, a tiny world you can actually build and display right inside your bookshelf. This is a 3D wooden puzzle-style book Nook designed for teens and adults. It slides right between your books and instantly turns your shelf into something magical. Everything you see in the finished design, the furniture, tiny details, and structure is included in the kit. It's made from wood, metal, fabric, paper, and plastic, and yes, it does require assembly, which is honestly the best part. This isn't a toy you rush through. It's meant to be slow, calming, and satisfying. You'll be cutting, assembling, and placing tiny pieces together like a miniature architect. It's perfect for stress relief, creative focus, or a quiet weekend project. Just keep in mind, glue, tools, and batteries aren't included, so you'll want those ready before you start. Once it's finished, the built-in LED lighting brings everything to life, especially at night. Slide it between your books and suddenly your bookshelf becomes a conversation piece. It looks amazing in bedrooms, reading corners, offices, or as a cozy background for videos and photos. This makes a great birthday gift, creative hobby, or thoughtful present for anyone who loves books, miniatures, or DIY projects. It's unisex and recommended for ages 14 and up, but honestly, adults will enjoy this just as much, if not more. If you want to build one for yourself or gift it to someone special, click the link in the description below to buy. And if you enjoy cozy tech, DIY builds, and creative finds like this, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite book Nook style, and subscribe for more cool reviews and creative products.